Set the table. Can you go set the table? Oh. Plate goes here. That's how you set the table. Yay! Good job! Look, can you set the table? Set the table. Set the table. Good job. McLean, set the table. Can you set the table? Set the table. Look. Look. Good job. Eat your chocolate. McLean, look, can you set the table? Where does the cup go? Where does the cup go? Put the cup where it goes. Can you put it where it goes? Put the fork where it goes. Where does the fork go? Put the napkin where it goes. Good job. Where's the spoon go? Good job. Look. Good job. Thank you.
Yay!
Yay!
You set the table.
You set the table. Good job. Look, I taught your kid how to set the table.
I'm still recording.
Oh, well,
Okay,
she's
we're
done.
good.
So you can